The soul is your greatest gift. When you die, the soul does not die. Allah preserves him. Because Allah said, I place in him from my soul. Don't confuse my soul with Allah himself. My here is a metaphor. It's a rhetorical statement. My meaning the special soul which I have created for this purpose that no one else will have a share of. You know, when you say, for example, I care about this person, care about this person, care about this, but this person's mine. What does that mean? It means that they are the most special to you. I will take care of them, I will protect them, special. So when Allah said, when I place from my soul into him, it means the greatest, most special gift which Allah preserved, that no angel, no jinn, no animal has this soul except the human being. Okay? So it's not to say that we are created from Allah. This soul, Allah does not destroy it. Now, brothers and sisters, you need to maintain and nurture this soul. How do you nurture it? Number one, with the closeness to Allah. The soul does not need food. It does not need oxygen. That probably explains why when you dream, the soul in your dream, it's able to travel the entire universe. It's called the barzakh world. And the reason why it doesn't need air, it can talk and everything underwater and in space, is because it doesn't need oxygen, doesn't need food. So the soul, that's my point here. So the soul, my dear brothers and sisters, you need to nurture it with something else. The nurturing of it is dhikr. Dhikr. Dhikr, which means remembrance of Allah.